That's a gorgeous snake. Just walked. I was just 2 inches from this dude. I about had a heart attack. Oh my God, he just dookied on you, huh?
He is gorgeous.
Yeah, he is. What's up, buddy? Got a mean looking head on him.
You about jumped in that truck.
Oh my God. That's a gorgeous snake.
I've never
Easily.
caught one of these. That's cool.
That's a beautiful snake. See ya, bro. Jay's a big dude. Oh my. Will you go somewhere else? Oh, can you see me?
Yeah.
So I'm walking. This snake is right here. We'll call this the snake. A 5-foot snake. His head is in the air like this. He's right here. Okay, this is the snake. He's like that. And I went like this. Oh my God, leave that longhorn. Oh, what a crazy experience. Anyway.